Hello everyone, welcome to part 2, extending identity. And in this session, we will update the registration form. If you remember that in the previous video, we added this name property to our model application user class. And then, yeah, but if you come here now to our registration form, when the user sign up here in our application, there is no way for us to capture the uh, name property which we added recently to our model. So we will be going to add this one in this session. For that, let's start. First, we need to go to the registration view and let me navigate there. Account, and here is our register.cshtml. Open. Here, if you notice that we have different form groups, divs, to capture different attributes, properties for our view. So first one we have for email, then password, confirm password, so on. So let me add one more form group here for the name. I will simply copy this one and yeah, let me paste it here. So this one I will add model m.email to m.name. But notice we don't have the name property available. Let's scroll up and see we have here register view model. This view is using this view model class, not the application user model class. So let's add this property to our view model. I will go here, copy this one. And what's the difference between model and view model? I think one of our earlier video was on this topic. Just go there, and if you want to, you can refresh your memory from there and go to this one. What model we have? Register view model. So okay, there is account view model, and actually if you see this one, there are multiple classes in this one class, account view model, in this one file. What you can do, you can actually extract these classes and put them in a separate, each of them in a separate file, and why not move them here in the view model folder. I will leave this one up to you, but for now let's go there and find our register view model. So this is our register view model. Let me add here. So we got our name property available. Save and go to our view back. So we have the name property available. And let me change this one text box for, instead of m.email, just let us get this one m.name. I think that was it. So we added to view model this property and add a form group to capture this attribute. And once user added this one and the form, click the save button, this model will be posted to our controller. So we need to update this value now in the database. So let's go to the controller, account controller, and here let's find the action for this registration process. It is a register, this action, and here we have multiple properties. Let's add the name property as well. So I will add here name equal to model dot name. I think that was it. Let's test this one. Okay. Register. So we got our Text box for name. Let me put here the name. John. At abc.com. Yeah. Okay, so we were able to sign in successfully. Let's verify this one in the database. If I go to Server Explorer, ASP.NET User, show table data. So we got our record, John, and at the right, if you noticed, we will have the name property. So now you know that how we can add additional attributes to our identity and capture those attributes on using the registration sign-up process. Okay, there is a couple of some items which we can actually look at it. For example, if you go to our model and models, application view model, account view model, what we can do, as we talked about, that we should have one class per file, so you can extract those classes and move them to their respective models or view model folder. And I will leave this one up to you, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.